Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve annual exam 2023 class 8 maths. And in previous video we already solved 1 marks questions. So today we are going to solve case study questions of section 2. As you already know, in section 2 two questions of case based question will be asked, and each case based question is having 5 subparts. So from 5 subparts, students can attempt only 4 questions. So any 4 questions students can solve. It is not compulsory you have to solve 1, 2, 3, 4. We can solve out of 5. You can solve any 4. So as you see the question, case study question number 11. Always we are having a statement. So according to a statement, first of all you have to read the statements, and then after you have to try to solve the questions. So you have seen 5 questions are there. So whatever is given, first of all you have to read properly and summarize it, and then after try to solve the questions, because these are the case based question and multiple choice questions are given. So only answer is required, solution is not required. But in rough work, always you have to solve the question and find the solution properly. So watch and radio, two things are given, and selling price of watch is 990 rupees and profit percentage 10%, and selling price of radio is also 990 rupees and loss is 10%. So by using this data we have to find out, first of all you have to find out cost price of watch, and also we have to find out the cost price of radio, because question will be asked according to this question. We have to find out what is cost price and what is selling price and what is loss or profit. Whatever it is given, first of all you have to find out, and then after we have to solve the questions. It is already given in question number 1 to 5, so we have to solve the questions. So now first of all you have see cost price of radio we have to find out, because selling price is given. So cost price is equal to what? We have to find out selling price minus profit, then you will get the cost price. So by using the selling price of watch, we will find the solution. So now moving to question without doing any delay. Here we will write for watch. So for watch, what is given? First of all see, it is given selling price is equal to rupees 990 rupees. Profit percent is given 10%. So what will be the cost price? Actually students made mistake here. We have to take cost price as X, or then after we will try. So let a cost price is equal to X. So what will be the selling price? Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit percent. So simply here you have to write selling price is equal to cost price plus profit percent. So you will write X plus 10% of X, because profit is given, so it will be plus. So X plus 10% of X. Basically students made mistake here. Profit percent is given, they will subtract it, so it will be wrong. Remember it, this is profit percent, so definitely it will be added. So selling price is equal to, it will be not negative, it will be positive, because profit percent is always positive. So we have to write selling price is equal to X plus 10% of X. Don't write X minus 10% of X, that is cost price minus 10% of cost price. It will be cost price plus 10% of cost price. So 990 is equal to X plus 10 by 100 into X, because percent will be written as 1 by 100. So 1 0 and other 0 will be cancelled. So basically we will get 990 equal to X plus X by 10. Whenever it will solve, we will get 10x plus x by 10. So when we will take LCM, we will get 11 by 10x is equal to 990. So what it will come? 11 upon 10x is equal to 990 rupees. Just you have to change the side. So x is equal to 990 into 10 upon 11. And you will cancel it by 11, 99 will be cancelled in 9 times, 0 will be 0. So 90 into 10. So x is equal to what you will get? 900 rupees. So what is the actual cost price of watch? Is 900 rupees. Similarly, we will also find the cost price of radio because loss percentage given. So here cost price of watch is 900 rupees. So we can write cost price of watch is 900 rupees. Now it is clear. Similarly, we have to find out the cost price of radio also, because cost price of radio we will find out, then we will decide what is actual cost price of total both the items and what is total selling price. So now for radio we will also solve the same in rough work, and then after we will solve the questions. So selling price is 990, loss percent is given 10%. So what we will do, we will find out cost price. So see, loss is given, that means cost price will be more than 990. So let cost price is equal to x, and similarly you have to find out the value of x. So selling price is equal to x minus 10% of x, because this is loss, so we will write subtract it from cost price, so 10% of x. So finally 990 is equal to x minus 10 upon 100 x, because 10% will be written as 10 by 100. So we will write 10 upon 100 into x. 0 will be cancelled, 0 0 will be cancelled. So we will get 990 is equal to x 10x, we will take LCM, 10x minus x upon 10. So finally we will get 990 is equal to 9 by 10x. When we will change the side, we will get x is equal to 990 into 10 upon 9. When we will cancel with it 9, 99 will be cancelled in 11 times. So finally what we will get? 110 into 10, 1100 rupees. So what is the cost price of radio? Is 1100 rupees. So now see, in watch it is given profit, so cost price is 900, and in radio it is given loss, so it is 1100 rupees. So what we will do? Now we will solve the question. Now moving to question, we are having question, total selling price of both the items is. So first question, see, total selling price. So 990 plus 990, both selling price we will add, we will get solution. So 990 plus 990 is 1980 rupees. So our option A will be the correct option for question number 1. Now moving to question number 2, cost price of the radio is, we have already solved cost price of radio. So cost price of radio is 1100. So option B will be the correct option, because 1100 is cost price of radio. Now moving to question number 3, total cost price of both the items. So we have already got total cost price 900 plus 1100, it will be 2000 rupees. So option C will be the correct option, because total cost price is 2000 rupees. 900 and 1100, definitely will add it, we will get the solutions. So 2000 rupees will be the total cost price. Now moving to question number 4, loss on selling the radio is. So actually here question is asked loss percent is already given. So we have to find out 10% of 1100, we will get the loss. So cost price is 1100 and loss is 10%. So loss percent is given 10%. So 10% of 1100, it will be 110 rupees. Now moving to question number 5, it is given total gain or loss on both the items is. So actually when we will add total cost price and total selling price, then we will decide ki it is loss or profit. So total cost price is 900 plus 1100, 2000. Total cost price is 2000. Similarly, total selling price is 1980 rupees because you have already added 990. So loss is 20 rupees. So what it will come? 20 rupees loss. On total, we have lost 20 rupees. So this type you have to solve the questions. I have explained all the 5 questions, but you have to solve any 4 questions. In exam, you have to solve any 4. It is not compulsory to solve all the 5 questions. Any 4 we can solve. Now moving to question number 12, that is case study 2. So in case study 2, this question is given. After senior secondary examination, students have craze about a new phase of college life, the opt course of their choice. So statement is given. The given pie chart shows the number of students admitted in different faculties of college in a particular year. So basic main question is given. If 1000 students are admitted in science, remember it, this is very important in this question. 1000 students are admitted in science, and whenever you will see the pie chart, 100 degree denotes 1000. So first of all you have to find out what will be value of 1 degree, because all the questions are given in degree form. So first of all you have to find out what is the value of 1 degree. So 1 degree is equal to, basically we will write 1000 upon 100 degree, because in science it is given 100 degree. So 1000 divided by 100 degree, so number of students will come. So 1 degree will denotes how many students? So 1 degree will denotes 10 students. How many students? 10 students. Now it is very simple. You have to find out how many commerce students, how many are law students, how many are educational students, how many are arts students. So simply you have to, what you will do, you will multiply with 10, you will get the number of students. So commerce students will be 650, because 65 into 10 is 650. Similarly, law student will be 45 into 10, 450. And education students will be 30 into 10, 300 students. And arts students will be 120 into 12, it will be 1200 students. So from this data now it is very clear how many students of commerce, how many students of law, how many students of education, and how many students of arts and science is already given. So by using these numbers we have to solve the question now. And now we are moving to question number 1. Total number of admitted student is. So whenever you will add total, you will get the final answer. So it is, all numbers will be added, we will get the solution. So all numbers, when we will add all the numbers, we will get 3600 students admitted. So total 3000. So option B will be the correct option. Now moving to question number 2. Number of students appeared in, it is already given, number of students appeared or admitted in education. So this 13 to 10, 300 we have already got. Moving to question number 3. Ratio of students admitted in, it is already given, ratio of students admitted in commerce and arts. So we have to find out the ratio, and arts and commerce, whatever it is given, arts and commerce. So arts is 1200 and commerce is 650. When you will cancel it, you will get finally 24 ratio 13. So option D will be the correct option. Option D for question number 3. Moving to question number 4. If the fee of registration form is 500, so then total amount received by the college of for law students. So law students are, number of law students we have already got. How many law students are there? We have to multiply with 500, you will get the total amount. So law students are 450. So we will multiply 450 into 500, we will get the solution. So what it will be? 450 into 500, it will come, basically we will leave the 0, 45 into 5, you already know 225. So it will come 2,25,000 rupees will be the option answer. So option C will be the correct option. Now moving to question number 5. We are having question number 5, the percentage of total number of students admitted in arts. So actually it is given total number of students appeared in arts is 1200 and complete total students taken admission is 3600. We have to find out the percentage. Very simple. We have to write 1200 upon 3600 total students and multiplied by 100. You will get the solution in percent. So cancel the 0. So 0 will be cancelled. 36 and 1200 will be cancelled with using the cancellation method. So 12 3s are 36, we will cancel it. That means in above it will be 100 and below it will be 3. So it will come 100 upon 3%. So 100 upon 3% will be written as 33 and 1 by 3%. So option C will be the correct option. So I hope you all have studied how to solve the case study based questions and how to write the answers. So always you have to remember it. Statements are given, you have to use the statements properly and solve the questions. I hope this video is very useful for you, and if you want to see or watch these types of educational video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and visit the description. In description so many educational videos links are available.